So I really liked how this was going, but like Nancy Mars, I really appreciated that I got an air hockey. I mean, this is my first time having an air hockey with in my room. It kind of actually also the designer looking good. At first, when we were starting, I tried my best, but then my mom gave me a solution. Why don't you knife and actually use it as a screwdriver? So then we made it, and thank you, Nancy Marcy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really like the details. Thank you.
तेरी मिठियां मैं सारी रात सुनदा जाऊं, नजर न लग जाए प्यार सारे जग से छुपाऊं, गवा तेरी मिठियां मैं सारी रात सुनदा जाऊं, नजर न लग। मैं आ गई हूँ अपने मेकअप रूम में एंड आई एम अबाउट टू स्टार्ट माय डे। मेकअप दादा आ रहे हैं और इस रूम में बहुत मच्छर है, सो मैंने एक टेबल फ़ैन मंगाया है बिकॉज मुझे आज ही पता चला है कि मेरी जो जेरन की ट्यूटर हैं उनको शायद मलेरिया है एंड शी इज़ रियली नॉट वेल एंड आई एम रियली वरीड फॉर हू एंड ऑल्सो दैट मेक्स मी थिंक कि यू नो विद ऑल द मस्किटोज एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी डेंजरस फॉर द किड्स एंड फॉर एवरीवन। और इतने बड़े बड़े मच्छर हैं इस मेकअप रूम में, इट्स नॉट इवन फनी। तो मैंने तो उनको बोला है कि टेबल फैन ले आओ। Rest I'm going to start my day now and I hope you guys have a good day and I'll keep you posted about my day. Today is not, honestly I'm quite gloomy today. मुझे आज बहुत अच्छा वाला फील नहीं हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा आज gloomy फील कर रही हूँ, but one of those days is all I'm going to say and I hope you guys have a great day and yeah, have a good day. I'll keep you guys posted about my day. So I'm not almost ready but makeup almost हो गया है। You know, आज ना बहुत ज़्यादा लो फील हो रहा है। कल रात को मैंने जेरिन को बहुत गुस्सा किया बिकॉज he's become very fussy about food. पहले बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं होता था। I think he's growing up, I get it, but कल वो कुछ खा के नहीं सोया and मैं पूरी रात जागी रही, मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छा लगा। I came to the shoot, I kissed him, I hugged him, but बहुत ही unsettling सी फीलिंग है। I'm not feeling nice. I don't know if you know हमारी मम्मी को भी यही भुगतना पड़ता होगा अगर हम लोग ऐसे करते होंगे बिकॉज आई रिमेंबर कि मेरी मम्मा बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट होती थी एंड विच इज़ वाई आज मैं सब खाती हूँ। मैं करेला खाती हूँ, मैं हर तीखा हो मीठा हो, आई थिंक आई ईट एवरीथिंग बट आई एम नॉट श्योर कितना स्ट्रिक्ट होना चाहिए कितना नहीं बिकॉज व्हेन यू स्लीपिंग विदाउट फूड यू नो मुझे इतना अजीब लग रहा था। मैं पूरी रात जागी रही एंड नॉट वेरी हैप्पी। सो आज का दिन आई थिंक जो वो खा चुका है, ब्रेकफास्ट भी खा चुका है, हंस रहा है, मेरे साथ वीडियो कॉल किया उसने, ही इज़ एब्सोल्युटली फाइन। पर पता नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि पता नहीं कितना स्ट्रिक्ट होना चाहिए। फिर मैं शूट पे आ जाती हूँ तो देन ही इज़ अलोन। अलोन तो नहीं है बट स्टिल लाइक यू नो, तो अब ओवर कॉम्पनसेट करना चाहिए क्या मुझे उसको खुश करने के लिए कुछ करना चाहिए सो दैट ही कम्स टू नो आई एम सॉरी, या जो स्ट्रिक्ट मैं रही कल उसको कंटिन्यू करना चाहिए ताकि वो यू नो थोड़ा खाने को लेके कम चूज़ी और थोड़ा खाए हर तरीके का खाना। आई रियली डोंट नो बट आई जस्ट नो दैट सिटिंग हियर इन माई मेकअप रूम आई एम नॉट हैप्पी। मुझे बहुत ही आई डोंट नो, बहुत अच्छा सा नहीं लग रहा है। और आज सुबह से मैं वैसे ही बहुत ग्लूमी हूँ, कल बहुत सारे और कारणों की वजह से भी आई वॉज वेरी ग्लूमी एंड I'm just hoping my day goes better than this, and yeah, one of those days. And I'm just missing Jaden. I wish I was not shooting today, and I wish I was with him, because हम दोनों का ज़्यादा ऐसा होता नहीं है. हम दोनों ज़्यादा, मैं बहुत गुस्सा ऐसे नहीं होती हूँ उसके साथ. सिर्फ कोई चीज़ बिल्कुल स्ट्रांगली पुट अक्रॉस करनी हो तो ही होता है. अदरवाइज यू नो वी बोथ नॉट. एनीवेज आई विल कीप यू गाइस पोस्टेड. एंड पहली बार ये चीज़ें मैं ऐसे बोल रही हूँ. तो आप अगर मदर्स हैं वहाँ पे, मुझे बताओ ना, क्या ये गिल्टी फील करना नॉर्मल है? मुझे बहुत गिल्टी लग रहा है कि मैंने उस पर बहुत चिल्लाया, और कल वो बिना खाए सोया. इट इज़ नॉट अ गुड फीलिंग. अभी वो खा चुका है, दोपहर होने को आई है, बट मुझे नहीं अच्छा लग रहा. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आई शुड नॉट हैव. आई डोंट नो, क्या आपको भी ऐसा लगता है जब आप अपने बच्चों को डांटते हैं? If there are mothers watching this, tell me now.
तेरी मिट्टियां मैं सारी रात सुनता जाऊं, नजर न लग जाए प्यार सारे जग से छुपाऊं. गवा तेरी मिट्टियां मैं सारी रात सुनता जाऊं.
सब रीपोस्ट कर रहे हैं. Look at her struggle.
I know I'm trying to. I swear, can you believe this? I'm trying to.
This is my YouTube channel. I'm showing how much you guys are struggling to repost. You're not reposting.
I posted it.
Oh my God, she's a pro. How about you?
I've done it as well now.
Look who's a pro now too. मैम ने भी मैनेज कर लिया.
मछली वाला आया तो मम्मी मम्मी कर
मछली वाला आया तो मम्मी मम्मी कर लो. Tell me everything.
When I walk, it hurts so
What
bad.
hurts, Baba? Come, show me. While jumping in Peekaboo, it was not hurting.
It was hurting.
Come.
When I was jumping, my brain was too much.
That is because you're not eating very well, Shana. You have to understand. You're not.
Only tomorrow.
Junk food does not give you
I did
nutrition.
not junk food at all. Just one fruit and a lollipop.
And pizza? Oh, that's not junk food. Last time I checked.
That's just 3 things.
Come, Mr. Brain Hurting. Do you know that we have 4 new fish? Do you even know that we've taken 4 new fish? Do you know?
Yes, I know.
Show me. Show me. You don't even know. Tell me which are new.
Are they gold?
You tell me. I'm looking for them too. Where are they?
This one.
No, they're very tiny. Okay, I can see one.
Where?
Look, I can see them. Oh, Jaden, you don't even.
Yeah. So
One is
another one.
here. We have a new fish. The teeny tiny
Only
fish
one
is hiding.
fish?
No, there are 6 of them.
What?
Hey, where are they? See, I can see one. Popping out there.
What I can see
There are
behind
3
it.
black and there are 3 silver ones. They must be hiding somewhere because they're small, no? See, where are they?
They're scared and lonely.
They're not lonely. Look at our tank. It's anything but lonely, Jaden. It's full of fish. Oh, where are they? Where are they? Look, let's look.
I saw 2 there.
See, one is sitting here, Nietzsche.
1, 2, 3. 3 we found.
3. Now we need to find. Oh, I can see the black one. See, Jaden. See. The black one is also hiding inside. See, there she is.
It looks cute.
Hello, good boy. Hi. See, they're new members in our family, Jaden. You should know. There are
They
3 of
might
them.
be scared, but they will feel very
They'll
happy.
become big very soon. Don't worry. They'll be as big as these. All of these naughty ones.
any sharks also, which are just zoo.
How's the one doing in ICU? The hospital tank. How are they doing?
Oh, yeah. There's two. How are they doing? How are
Two, nahi, one. Either two in the hospital tank?
No, there's only one.
Then
They're doing pretty well.
come on, let's have a look.
Let's
What's happening? Come on, let's
Just
check.
watching a movie night with my YouTube.
Come on, let's see what's happening in the hospital. Adi is fine. Just look at her. Go for it. Hey, you. Stop eating. Hey, looks like she's heard me. And she's like conscious and she's quiet. Hey, sorry, did I scare you? See, she just stopped cheating. Look, she stopped moving when I went close. Okay, she's conscious. She's scared of the camera. See, now she's pretending she can't see. Hey, stop pretending. Look, she's not moving on purpose. Hey, stop acting cute. See, So tell me all about why is your brain hurting? Brain is not hurting while you're doing this, but brain is hurting.
Because I was walking.
Where were you walking? You came in the auto.
When I was in the water, everything was kind of fine. But when I came back, it was like the lift of the brain was hurting.
The brain was hurting.
And it's also hurting now, so can you please stop? Will somebody help me?
I don't think so.
If
Who
you don't
will
help-
save you from mommy?
If you help me, if you don't help me, like and subscribe.
If you don't help me, like and subscribe.
It's an easy thing that you can like and subscribe. Which I can escape in this mummy like and subscribe for the update.
Hey, I need my Jaden pillow back. I just came back. Nobody gave me a pillow.
Here you go. Yes.
No, I want Jaden pillow. I don't want a pillow. Yeah, I want this pillow.
Somebody else.
Yeah, now we are talking. Now tell me. So how was your day? What did you do in Peekaboo?
First, let me go.
No, first tell me. How was your day at Peekaboo? What did you do?
It was good and annoying.
Tell them not junk that you ate. The junk
Not
that was
junk.
not junk, but Jaden did not eat the junk. What was the junk food you had? He did not have lollipop. He definitely did not have a pizza. And oh, no way did he have fruity. Are you guys challenging him?
Well, I had only one lollipop, one fruity thing, and one slice of a pizza, and that's it.
Well, that's not junk.
That is kind of a junk.
No way.
Now you guys, like it too.
Hey, don't spoil my makeup. I'm looking so good. So I've just come back and I'm feeling so much relieved to see Jaden and I was feeling so low today, do you know? Yesterday you slept without having food. I was feeling so low, do you know that? Hey! You know, mommy was working and feeling so bad and mommy was not happy at all throughout the day. Do you know that?